Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lessons because you know why we are going to revise the lessons? Yes, correct. You have the exam. Soon you have the exam. So let us revise the lessons. Yes, okay. Our first lesson is body parts. Okay, for your exam, you have 4 lessons: body parts, similarities and differences, food, and a fine balance. You have these 4 lessons. All of you know body parts, human body parts. But now we are going to revise again once time. This is head. This is head. This is neck. Kids, you read, learn along with spelling. H-E-A-D, head. N-E-C-K, neck. C-H-E-S-T, chest. A-R-M, arm. H-A-N-D, hand. P-A-L-M, palm. L-E-G, leg. K-N-E-E, knee. T-O-E-S, toes. F-O-O-T, foot. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. This type you read the spellings too. Understood now? Okay. This is head. This is the neck. This is chest. This is arm. This is hand. This is palm. This is palm. This is hand. This is stomach. This is leg. This is knee. These are toes. And this is the foot. That type back part. What is this? These are head. This is shoulder. This is back. This is elbow. This is wrist. These are fingers. This is thigh. This is ankle. Okay, and this is the heel. This type you revise it. Now, see the face part. Different parts of the face. अब हम फेस के अलग अलग पार्ट को रिवाइज करने जा रहे हैं. दिस इज हेड. दिस इज योर forehead. This is eye. These are eyes. This is nose. This is mouth. This is cheek. These are teeth. This is lip. This is chin. You read it along with spellings. Now, next see. Our head rests on our neck. You know this one. And this neck help the head to move up, down, left and right. Head किसके ऊपर है? नेक के ऊपर है. एंड ए नेक हेड को हेल्प करता है टर्न के लिए, मूव के लिए. अप, डाउन, लेफ्ट, राइट. Okay, now neck. Neck help us to move our head. Hands. Hands help us to hold things, help us to do work, help us to write. Stomach. Stomach store food. In stomach store food. Food from our mouth goes to our stomach Okay, and here digestion will take place, will get energy from digestion process. That type. Legs help us to walk, stand, run, jump and dance. Legs help us to walk, run, jump, stand and to play. Okay kids? Eyes help us to see the world. Nose help us to smell and breathe. Tongue help us to taste and talk. Teeth help us to chew the food. Mouth help us to talk and to eat. Now we are going to see the question R. First question 1. Name the following parts of your body with which you can run. Tell me kids. Parts of your body with which you can run. Legs. We can run with our legs. A part of your body with which you can move your head. Neck. Our neck help us to move our head. Number 3. A part of your body with which you can write. Hands. Our hands help us to write. Okay. Here picture is there. This type you label the all body parts. Those are given above. Hair, neck, arm, shoulders, eye, ear, fingers, leg, hand, mouth, knee, stomach. See here how I am label this one all body parts. You also label it. Hair, eye, ear, shoulder, neck, mouth, arm, finger, stomach, hand, leg, knee, foot, toes, ankle, etc. Now, question number 3. Rewrite the jumbled words in the correct form, then find these words in the grid. First read this one kids, then you think and write it. See here, some letters are given and that letters they make front, back, आगे पीछे उन लेटर को उन्होंने जम्पल्ड किया है, आगे पीछे लिखा है. You arrange it properly. Feet, stomach, hair, head, mouth, neck, back. See. TFEE means what? TFEE means what? So next one see here. Stomach spellings, letters jumbled here. First written MASTOCH. Which word will become here with a meaningful? कौन सा word create होता है along with meaningful? Think करो, सोचो ज़रा. Then you write a spelling of that in correct meaningful word. Stomach. See here. IRAH means what? No meaning. So you arrange it properly. HAIR, hair. See next one. EHDA means what? EHDA means what? No meaning. HEAD, head. Okay, this time you rewrite this one all and revise it. Here are first lesson revision over. Now see Second lesson revision, similarities and differences. Similarities and differences. Similarity is the likeness or resemblance. Difference is the quality of being alike and unlike. Similarity is the likeness and difference is the quality of being unlike or different. We have difference in weight, height, complexion, types of hair, shapes of nose, color of eyes. We have lots of differences, but we have body parts same. 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 ears, 1 nose, 1 mouth. We have similarity in body parts, but differences in height, weight, complexion, types of hair, shapes of nose, age, etc. So, see question A. First question, fill in the crossword with the help of the clue. Here clues given and the crosswords given. Sharp pointed types of nose, flat. Sharp pointed flat nose. 2. Everyone has a different height and weight. Some people have thin hair. Rhyming word is bin, thin bin. Similarity is a likeness or resemblance. You write these words in this one cross boxes. First one is flat, F-L-A-T, flat. Second one is weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, weight. Third is some people have thin, T-H-I-N, thin hair. Number 4, similarity, S-I-M-I-L-A-R-I-T-Y, similarity. Okay, now next question number 2. Answer the following questions are there. 1. Who is the youngest child in your class? Answer. Who is in your youngest child, you think and you write. Here I am written Raju is the youngest child in our class. 2. Who is the tallest child in your class? Answer. Aditi is the tallest child in our class. This type you write who is in your class tallest and youngest. So look at these all picture and say, are all the peoples similar or they all are different? Yes, answer. All are different. In this picture, all peoples are different are there. Here it is a small baby. He is an old man. He is a fat man. He is a tall man. This is the fair girl. She is a fair and she is a dark. Complexion difference is there. Fair girl is there and dark girl is there. This is the man and this is the boy. Means he is a tall and he is a short. Here age difference is there. Here also age difference is there. Okay. This type you understand what is the differences between them. See here also. Hairs difference are there. Hairs. They have differences, lots of differences in their body, physical bodies. This one bodies, just like a hair, eyes color, shape of the nose, complexions means color of the skin. हर आदमी अलग अलग रहता है. बट दे हैव द सेम बॉडी पार्ट्स. उनको क्या होता है? सेम बॉडी पार्ट्स रहते हैं. 2 hands, 2 hands, 2 hands, 2 hands, all are having 2 hands. 2 eyes, 2 eyes, all people is having 2 eyes. 2 legs, all are having 2 legs. 1 nose, all are having 1 nose. Okay, body parts are same, but they are different in hair, complexion, height, weight, age. Understood, no kids? Okay, today's your homework is you read the both lessons and revise the both lessons along with question answers. Those are given in your classwork notebook. Thank you for watching the video.